Hi everyone, back here for another video. I'm traveling soon and I'm already planning which of my devices will accompany me on my trip. Being a workaholic me, I'm bringing my work laptop to do some work, and here I have the Dell Latitude Windows laptop. And of course, I'm a big iPad user, so I need to take one of my iPads along, and this time I choose my iPad mini because it's light and easy to hold. And though it's small, I can still enjoy watching my WNBA games and some YouTube videos. And also do some YouTube work since I can easily type on the mini even without an external keyboard, so I can still work on some of my YouTube scripts. I will also take along my Apple Watch and my AirPods. I wear my Apple Watch every day and I use it when I work out, and I hope I will have the time to work out during my trip. And lastly, of course, is my iPhone, which I don't think needs much explanation. With all these devices, it means I need to bring chargers as well. Now comes a more convenient option where I don't need all of this and just have this instead. Today's video is sponsored by Ugreen, and this is the Ugreen Nexode 100w charger. Ugreen sent over the Ugreen GaN fast charger for my review. This comes in this white box and the packaging is simple and nice. Right out of the box is the power brick, which has quite a weight to it, and the color is what I can say, space gray color. This is a 4-in-1 charger, and it has 3 USB-C ports and a USB-A port, supplying up to 100 watts of power. I can charge my iPad, my iPhone, and my laptop, my AirPods, and my Apple Watch, all at the same time. So all the devices that I'm taking with me when I travel, I can charge them all together. So if I'm in a situation where plugs are limited, I'm not worried that I will run out of battery and I cannot charge my devices. And this is because I can charge multiple devices using the Ugreen GaN fast charger. And yes, fast charging is another great feature of this charger. If you have a device that is capable to charge at 100 watts, then this Ugreen charger can do that. Just make sure though to use either the USB-C1 or USB-C2 port. Here's Ugreen's infographic explaining the output if you use the different ports all together. So even if I use all the ports, I can still get acceptable charging speeds to juice up my devices. And there are more features of this charger. This uses the GaN chip, which stands for gallium nitride, and Ugreen assures us of the safety of using this charger with optimized charging and power protection. This charger has a foldable plug, so I can easily store this in my tech pouch and bring it along with me when I'm on the go and in my upcoming trip. And again, because of the 4 ports, I don't need to take all the individual chargers, and the big one is the laptop charger that takes a big chunk of space and weight in my bag. So, on business trips, I will really feel the difference now that I can take along the Ugreen charger instead of the bulky laptop charger. The Ugreen Nexode 100w charger is compatible with almost all devices. So check out Ugreen's website to know more, and check out the description box for some links. That's it. Thanks for watching.